Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan, and thanks so much for coming by. I really appreciate it. So before this video gets started, like always, if you're interested in being a Lyft driver, go ahead and use my link in the description to sign up. You're gonna get a sign-on bonus. You know, you can start making $20 to $30 an hour, sometimes $40 an hour if you're smart and you watch my videos and you figure out how. But yeah, go ahead and use my link in the description. So today's video is all about when are the best times to drive for Uber and for Lyft. So you're gonna get a ton of different answers, but I think you should listen to me, you know, because I know what I'm talking about. Obviously I do. So based off of all my experience, I've done a lot of research on this, and I have figured out the best times to drive. And actually, the answer might surprise you. It's gonna be different based on your personality. So if you're an introverted person, you're gonna wanna drive at different times than if you're an extroverted person. And if you don't care about safety, like you don't mind picking up people super late at night, then you know you're gonna drive at a different time versus somebody who is very cautious and doesn't wanna put themselves in danger. That's pretty much like me. I like to be on the safe side. So I tend to not drive at night very much. But anyways, so if you're an introverted person, this is the best time to drive for you. It's gonna be super early in the morning, starting at 5 a.m. Yes, you heard that right, 5 a.m. From 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. during the weekdays. So that's Monday through Friday. And then you're gonna take a break, and then you're gonna pick back up at 3 p.m. and you're gonna drive until 7 p.m. So that you don't have to follow this exact schedule, but if you do, you're gonna make a lot of money. You know why? Because super early in the morning at 5 a.m., there's no drivers out there. I mean, there are some, but you know, those are like the early go-getters. So you really don't have that much competition. And your rides are gonna be long. So you wanna get long rides so you're not wasting gas driving to pick up people. What you're gonna be doing is taking a lot of people to the airport and picking up people from the airport, getting home from those red-eye flights. And then you start driving at 3 p.m. and you start picking up people from work, and they're heading out to dinner, and then it starts dying off at around 7 p.m. You'll still get people going out to dinner, but usually it dies down around then. Now on Thursday and Friday nights, if you live in a college town or a popular city, Thursday and Friday nights will still be busy. So if you want, you can go out on Friday night as well. But if you're an introvert, I would stay away from that, and you're quiet and you don't like the party scene. If you do like the party scene, I'm gonna recommend you drive Thursday night, Friday night, and Saturday night. And you can drive starting at 9 p.m. all the way until 3 a.m. That's 6 hours right there. Those are three 6-hour shifts where it's going to be super busy. Definitely if you live in a college area on Thursday nights, but if you don't, then Friday and Saturday nights only. And the thing is, you're going to get people going out. People arrive to the bars, to parties up until about 12, and then starting at 12, you're going to be taking people home. So just keep that in mind, the types of people you'll be getting. Again, this is a little bit more dangerous, a little bit more risk. People are more loud, aggressive at night, but you can drive all the way up until 3 a.m. Because think about it, the bars close at 2, and people like to hang out outside afterwards, until like 2:30. So you probably get your last ride at like 2:30, and then you can go home. And then if you're introverted, you can drive during the day. Again, Saturdays and Sunday, you can get up again at 5 a.m. and drive up until as much as you want. It doesn't really matter. The time for Saturday and Sunday, it doesn't matter. You can get up whenever you want and start driving. And a bonus, if you really, really want to get up and start driving at 4 or 4:30, this will be, you're gonna be one of the only drivers out there, and you're gonna get rides a lot. So this is just what I found. So when I drive, I like to start driving at 5 a.m. and I'll drive And that's when you get the most amount of rides. So, and actually I prefer that. I prefer driving in the morning the most, because think about it, when people get up early and they have to go somewhere, they want to start their day off on a good note, you know. People just naturally want to do something good in the morning, so people are going to be nicer, they're going to tip more, and you know, they're probably going to be a little bit quiet. So the rides go super fast, and you know, they're super smooth, and people aren't stressed unless they're running late for work. But otherwise, super early in the morning, those are the times when you get the best tips. I've gotten really, really good tips early in the morning. So thank you guys for watching. This is just my tips, you know, take it or leave it. But you know, I have been doing a lot of research on this, and I've done, you know, ride sharing a lot myself. So leave a comment below. Did you learn something from this video? Do you have your own suggestions? You know, I am always learning. I don't know everything. I don't claim to know everything. So leave your comments below on what are your tips for the best times to drive. You know, do you have a secret that's the best time to drive that you want to share with somebody? So again, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in being a Lyft driver, go ahead and use my sign-on link in the description below, and you can get a sign-on bonus. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a thumbs up, leave a subscription. I don't know why I'm doing 2 thumbs for subscription. Does that work like that? I don't think so. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go to bed now because it's late. Actually, no, I need to study. So I'll be studying instead of sleeping. All right, guys, have a good night or a good morning. Or I never know what to say. Like, I don't know when you guys are gonna watch this video. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.